Learn English can in Gujarati.
shakvuṁ.
Funny guide to ability phrases. Welcome to Can Do Chaos. Hey, you're about to learn one tiny English word with a giant ego, can. In Gujarati, that superstar is often.
shakvuṁ.
And today you will use it like a language ninja with a snack. Picture a huge golden door with a sign.
shakvuṁ.
Every time it opens, possibility walks in wearing sunglasses. If you can swim, you say, I can swim.
હું તરી શકું.
If she can help, you say, she can help.
તે મદદ કરી શકે છે.
If we can try, you say, we can try.
અમે પ્રયત્ન કરી શકીએ.
So the core idea is ability. Can, be able to, the mighty power of getting things done before your coffee gets cold. Meet the ability family. Now let's meet the whole dramatic family of ability phrases. They all belong to the kingdom of possible, but each one arrives with a different pronoun and attitude. Base form. Can or be able to equals.
શકવું.
This is your foundation word. I could equals.
હું શકતો હતો.
Very useful for talking about past ability, like when you could run fast or open pickle jars without emotional support. You could equals.
તું કરી શકત.
This sounds encouraging, like a friend saying, come on, you could try again. He could equals.
તે કરી શકે.
Handy when one brave hero, uncle, or suspiciously talented cat can solve the problem. We can equals.
આપણે કરી શકીએ.
Teamwork enters the chat. You all can equals.
તમે બધા કરી શકો.
Perfect for motivating a group, a class, or a family trying to assemble furniture with missing screws. They can equals.
તેઓ કરી શકે.
Another useful group form. You may also hear, they can, as part of a sentence with.
શકે છે.
As in.
તેઓ અમારી મદદ કરી શકે છે.
A very serious story about a not serious cat. Time for a funny mini story so the words stick in your mind. Yes, a cat is involved, because education demands sacrifice. In a small town, a lazy orange cat stared at a very small pillow as if it were Mount Everest. The cat stretched one paw and whispered.
શકવું.
Nearby, an old man looked at the cat and said proudly.
હું શકતો હતો.
Meaning, I could. Apparently he could jump fences in his youth, though now he mostly jumps to conclusions. A child pointed at the pillow and told the cat.
તું કરી શકત.
You could do it. Then the neighbor said about the cat.
તે કરી શકે.
He could do it. Soon everyone joined in.
આપણે કરી શકીએ.
We can do it together. The whole street shouted.
તમે બધા કરી શકો.
The crowd agreed.
તેઓ કરી શકે.
And yes.
શકે છે.
Was everywhere in the air like grammar confetti. In the end, the cat jumped 1 centimeter onto the pillow and acted like it had conquered the universe. Speak with the characters. Now you get short dialogues you can repeat aloud. Keep it playful, dramatic, and maybe slightly overconfident. A. Can you do it? B.
હા, હું શકું.
Underneath that answer sits the base idea.
શકવું.
A. Could you climb that hill before? B.
હા, હું શકતો હતો.
A. If I try again, maybe? B.
તું કરી શકત.
A. Can anyone fix this broken chair? B.
તે કરી શકે.
A. Can we learn Gujarati? B.
આપણે કરી શકીએ.
Coach. Team, can you all win? Team.
તમે બધા કરી શકો.
Well, actually the coach says that to the team, and the team cheers anyway. A. Can they help us? B.
તેઓ કરી શકે.
Or in a full sentence.
તેઓ અમારી મદદ કરી શકે છે.
Tiny grammar, big confidence. Let's make the pattern clearer without turning this into a boring textbook sandwich. You just need to notice who is doing the action. For the general idea, can, or, be able to, use.
શકવું.
For, I could, use.
હું શકતો હતો.
It points to past ability. For, you could, use.
તું કરી શકત.
For, he could, use.
તે કરી શકે.
For, we can, use.
આપણે કરી શકીએ.
For, you all can, use.
તમે બધા કરી શકો.
For, they can, use.
તેઓ કરી શકે.
And in full present style sentences you may hear.
શકે છે.
Such as.
તેઓ કાલે આવી શકે છે.
In simple words, same ability idea, different people. Grammar is just organized chaos with better shoes. Memory tricks that are slightly ridiculous. If a word is funny, your brain keeps it. So let's make these phrases impossible to forget. Think of
shakvuṁ.
as a magic key. When you say it, locked doors open. 4.
હું શીખતો હતો.
Imagine your past self entering in slow motion saying, back in my day, I could do that. 4.
તું કરી શકત.
Imagine a coach pointing at you with dramatic wind in their hair. You could. 4.
તે કરી શકે.
Picture one hero wearing sunglasses indoors. Is it necessary? No. Can he do it? Apparently yes. 4.
આપણે કરી શકીએ.
Imagine a team stacking hands together before a challenge. 4.
તમે બધા કરી શકો.
See a teacher smiling at a whole class before an exam. 4.
તેઓ કરી શકે.
And.
શકે છે.
Imagine a group of friends lifting one giant snack box together. Teamwork, snacks, language, perfect. Quick challenge round. Now answer in your head or out loud if you enjoy confusing nearby people. I ask, you respond. How do you say, can, or, be able to?
shakvuṁ.
How do you say, I could?
હું શીખતો હતો.
How do you say, you could?
તું કરી શકત.
How do you say, he could?
તે કરી શકે.
How do you say, we can?
આપણે કરી શકીએ.
How do you say, you all can?
તમે બધા કરી શકો.
How do you say, they can?
તેઓ કરી શકે.
What form appears in sentences like, they can help us?
શકે છે.
Your can do ending. You made it, and yes, that means you really can do this. Your Gujarati ability toolkit is already stronger than yesterday. Today you practiced.
shakvuṁ. હું શીખતો હતો. તું કરી શકત. તે કરી શકે. આપણે કરી શકીએ. તમે બધા કરી શકો. તેઓ કરી શકે.
And.
શકે છે.
That is a lot of ability for one chapter. Thank you for listening, keep practicing out loud, and do not worry if it feels messy at first. Bit by bit, word by word, you absolutely can learn Gujarati.